Why are more Brits out of work, even as things still cost more? Because the economy's juggling unemployment and inflation. It's tricky. Britain's latest figures show employment slipping and price pressures persist. And that's a worry. Fewer people with jobs cool consumer spending, but stubborn inflation keeps essentials pricey anyway. For the Bank of England, this is a policy nightmare. Raise interest rates to tame prices, risking more unemployment, or hold off and let inflation linger instead. For households, it's simple and painful. The effects are clear. Real incomes get squeezed as prices outpace pay. Savings lose value as inflation erodes purchasing power. Households find budgeting becomes a full-time job. For businesses, it's unpredictable and forces hard choices. Some firms cut hiring to control costs, others pass higher costs on to customers. Many delay investment decisions, slowing growth. The bottom line, weaker employment and persistent price growth slow economic recovery and raise chances of tougher times ahead. Watch how things will respond and decide the outcome. Wages. Whether pay keeps up with prices matters a lot.
Hey, we all want to scale our business. Hey, I have the answer for you today to help you do that. If you're looking to scale from 5, 6, even 7 figures and beyond, called Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is type in growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash, and you can download the book for absolutely free. I hope the book helps you this year. Take your business to the next level. Again, go grab the book, growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash. I wish you the best and grow, scale, and win.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.